Hello, beautiful listeners. These two happy faces just got out from Toks ceremony, and it was amazing. It was me and my partner and our whole tribe in Bonjuk Bay, and just like Bonjuk Bay, the ceremony itself made us wanted to be our best versions of ourselves and love ourselves even more, connect with our ancestors and our pasts that we don't even know. And it's such a light feeling. Do you want to say anything?
It was our first. Lots of blessings for sure.
It was a blessing.
It was a blessing.
And it's pure magic. That magic we can never even begin to understand sometimes, but just surrender to it and just feel it. And we're so grateful for the ceremony and for Toks and everything.
Thank you.
Thank you.